Clove, with its distinctively strong and warm flavor, is a spice known for its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It is particularly rich in eugenol, a compound that can help combat oxidative stress in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall health. Ginger, on the other hand, is renowned for its zesty and slightly spicy taste, but it's also celebrated for its numerous health benefits. Gingerol, the main bioactive compound in ginger, possesses strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This makes ginger a valuable ingredient for reducing inflammation in the body, which is often linked to conditions like arthritis. Furthermore, ginger has garnered attention for its potential role in reducing muscle pain and soreness. Some studies suggest that ginger may help decrease muscle pain and improve recovery after intense physical activity, making it a valuable aid for athletes and fitness enthusiasts.